so you all can see this new planting inside. I watch out when you can see everything, you know. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so I got the plantain peel already. So I'm gonna just start cutting them up. Alright, so that we're gonna blend it up. Alright. And get it into a puree. Alright guys, I get the plantain peel and I get them cut up already in chunks. Alright. Yes, I already started the puree. So we go. Alright guys, time for the dry ingredients time. I already did my ripe plantain puree. I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 cups of flour. Alright. Three cups of flour. And guys, in this I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Alright, put that in. Now guys, in this ingredient you don't need no salt. You just need the baking powder, the flour, and the plantain, because that's already giving you the flavor that you need. Alright, so no worries. Or you can add a little essence in there if you like essence like that. You know, I'm just making this for my family. Alright, so puree. This right here is a ripe plantain puree. Alright, so we're going to start spatula. I'm going to start it off with. Alright, just started the mixing process. You can see. Let's cut it out. Alright. Okay guys, so I have my flour all knead up already. And I have my oil going. Then you start going in with your dumpling. Alright? You know now? How we even, Joe? See that, guys? So we're looking for, right? So I'm coming to just start dropping it in there. Alright? Alright guys, as you can see, they start frying already. Alright? Fried already. This is our end result. Alright? I'm just gonna just take one, break into it, and take a taste out of it, alright? For anything you want me to cook, any new updates that you need, you can also follow me, Exploring with the Richards, on Facebook and YouTube, alright, and all these other social media platforms, also on Instagram.